Hey guys, welcome to Clearwater Ranch in Liberty Hill. We're gonna walk through this beautiful model home here by Giddens, a builder that's known across Central Texas for some quality craftsmanship, some very functional layouts, and homes that truly live well. From the moment you step inside, this home is designed to feel open, warm, and truly intentional. If you feel like this one speaks to you, or if you have any interest in Giddens or any other ones in the Clearwater Ranch community, reach out. Let's get in touch with the link in the bio and hope you enjoy. Take care.